The other thing I wanted to talk about is, as you all know, false claim of citizenship. And the second thing is what you said at the embassy before you came to America. Now, let me start with what you said at the embassy. They started cracking down on people who said they were married at the embassy. A lot of the people, we are convinced and we are told, especially those people who come under B1, B2 visa, you've been advised and been told, if you go to the embassy, you say you're married, you have kids, you're more likely to be given a visa, which is true. However, now how they're coming back to catch you is, if you said or if you lied you were married at the American embassy, then you come back here, you have to get a divorce from that alleged wife or husband you say you had at the embassy. And they're cracking down and they'll be denying people green card. I'm talking from experience. I've seen so many cases whereby they've gone ahead and requested that we have to go ahead and get the divorce decree from those spouses, which at that moment you have two options. You can either confess the truth, say you lied, or you can go figure out how to get yourself that divorce decree. Bottom line is this: if you said you lied, it becomes bad for you, because now we are talking about having to apply for a waiver for misrepresentation because you lied for an immigration benefit, and that waiver is a 50-50. You may or may not get it. You don't even want to be dealing with misrepresentation waiver. So when you go to your attorney, be truthful to your attorney, because there's nothing as bad as on the day of the interview getting a surprise with them asking you about an alleged spouse that you said you had at the embassy, or an alleged kid that you said you had at the embassy and you didn't have. So let's be very, very careful about that. The other thing is this: I know a lot of immigrants all want jobs. It's you're hustling, you're desperate, you want a job. You go fill the forms, they ask you if you're a US citizen, and you say yes. Walk away from that job. If it comes to that point, don't lie, leave it blank. You don't lie, leave it blank. If your employer feels like they won't give you a job because you left it blank, walk away from that job. Because if there's one unforgivable mistake or one unforgivable sin in immigration law, is false claim of citizenship. They can forgive, you can apply for waiver if you have criminal background, even felonies, you've killed someone, you can apply for a waiver and you may probably get it. But there is no waiver and there is no forgiving false claim of citizenship. That is the worst mistake you can ever make for immigration. So when you go apply for those jobs, be careful what you're filling out. Take a look at those forms, and if there's anything to do with false claim of citizenship, if there's asking you about whether you're a US citizen or not, don't lie, don't say you are, because it will come back to bite you. Because when they ask you for your 5-year history and they decide to run your background and see you worked at this place, and they request your file and they find out that you lied, you're a US citizen and you're not, you're going to be permanently barred and deported. So stay away from those false claims of citizenship. A lot of attorney, we can handle your criminal background, we can handle you lying about a lot of things for immigration, but the one thing that is likely going to lead you and is going to be a very hard battle for you to fight and win is that false claim of citizenship, especially if they bring that form in court and it has your signature, then your case is done. So stay away from false claim of citizenship. And I think that is it for today, guys. I'm very happy to have been with you. You can follow me on Facebook at Sarah Brooks Law Firm PC. You can also Google me if you need to find my number. You can also, my telephone number, if you want to write it down, is 214-888-6834. That number again is 214-888-6834. We do charge a consultation fee of 100, and the 100 consultation covers you for 30 minutes consultation. And then if you decide to sign up as a client at the end of the consultation, the 100 consultation, we go ahead and we put it towards your legal fees. But there is a consultation fee of 100, which covers you for 30 minutes consultation. And we apologize. Let me apologize on behalf of my host. We have technical difficulties, so he's not able to log in. So I will go ahead and shut down this conversation. It was a pleasure having all of you guys. I can't read your comments because the system is down, so I'm not even able to read most of your comments or what you guys post. But it was a pleasure having you. You have my phone number. You can Google my name, Sarah Brooks Law Firm, or you can follow me on Facebook. I always try to update people on new stuff happening on Facebook, so make sure you follow me. You follow Sarah Brooks Law Firm on Facebook. You guys, you have a good night. And once again, it was a pleasure having you guys on this show. And I look forward to having another show with you guys.